high wind warning for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Franklin, Licking, Madison, and Union. High wind warning now in effect until 1 a.m. Monday. Winds, west 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 55 miles an hour. High winds may bring down trees and power lines. Lightweight objects such as trash cans and deck furniture should be secured. Be aware of crosswinds while driving, especially on bridges and overpasses, or if you are in a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Drivers of high-profile vehicles or trailers should delay their travel until winds diminish. If you must drive, be alert to sudden gusts of wind which may cause you to lose control of your vehicle. And now the extended forecast.